Arjun, with your scores, engineering is the smartest choice. You are made for it.
Everyone thought Arjun had it all figured out because he scored well. You'll be the best engineer among us, bro.
You are lucky man. Wish I had it so easy.
But deep inside, Arjun felt something else pulling him. Something no one knew. Alone at night, Arjun doodling marketing campaign ideas, watching business documentaries, sketching startup concepts. They all think I'm confident. But truth is, I have no clue where I'm headed. Maybe smart kids are supposed to pick engineering. But what if my gut is right? Mom, Dad, I know everyone thinks engineering is my path. But I feel drawn to business, marketing, building things my way. What if I'm making a mistake by following marks instead of my heart?
We want you to be happy, not just successful. Let's understand this better.
Your scores don't define your career. Your calling does. Let's get clarity from an expert.
Engineering may be one option, but your true alignment is with business and creative problem solving. Here's how you can build a future on that foundation, step by step.
Arjun's parents smiling with relief, Arjun's shoulders relaxing. Arjun presenting confidently at a school entrepreneurship event, his parents cheering in the audience. Arjun's marks didn't vanish. His options didn't shrink. But for the first time, his career wasn't about what others thought was smart. It was about what truly fit him. I stopped letting scores choose for me. I started letting me choose. Teachers give advice, friends share opinions, relatives push for prestige. But clarity comes when you combine your gut feeling with your parents' support and expert guidance to prove the path is real. That's when career conflict turns into confidence.